Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux Compact condensing dryer and the display is giving you an Ex87 error and you're trying to figure out, first of all, what's going on here, and second of all, what can I do to remove this error, if anything. So first of all, why this error is on there. The Ex87 error indicates that the electronic control board on your dryer has sensed that it has an internal error. There's something wrong on itself and it's sending this error out itself. So more than likely, your electronic control board needs to be replaced. We'll talk a little bit more about that in a second. Before you do that, you want to just go ahead and make sure you do a hard restart on your dryer. So turn it off and disconnect it from power completely for at least 5 minutes. Then restore power. And after that, if this error persists, then we can move on to replacing the control board. Then you're going to disconnect it from power again. And I will go ahead and put a link in the description to a specific tutorial about how to replace an electronic control board in your dryer.